Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to embroider the lazy daisy. The lazy daisy gives a little bit of flair to a flower that you've embroidered, and it looks something along the lines of this. It looks like a teardrop. So it's very simple to make. It looks like it's complicated, but it's really not.
So I've been doing a couple of lazy daisies, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing so you can do it by yourself. So I've come through the Aida cloth with my embroidery floss, and I'm going to go right back in, and I'm going in the hole next to where I came out of. So you want to pull until you get a little loop, but you don't want to pull all the way. You want a little loop to stay. And this is the lazy daisy, but right now it's floating in space. You want it to be tied down so that it's flat against the cloth. So the next thing you're going to do is go back in the cloth on the other side, and you're going to come out at the bottom of your lazy daisy, but on the inside of your lazy daisy. And you're going to pull, but not too tight. You don't want your lazy daisy to suddenly become a set of parallel lines. You want it to keep its teardrop shape. And then you're going to go back into the cloth on the other side of the lazy daisy, so on the outside of the lazy daisy. And pull. And you're just creating a little stitch down here that's going to hold your lazy daisy in place. So I like to put my thumb over the lazy daisy as I pull the stitch, and that is to make sure that I don't pull too hard and undo my lazy daisy. So there's the lazy daisy. So I'll show you again what I did. So I'm just poking a hole so I can find on the other side where to come through. All right. So I'm going to go in a hole right next to where I came out of. And just pull until you have a little teardrop shape. And then you're going to come back out of the cloth, but you're coming out on the inside of the lazy daisy. And you're going to pull, but not too hard. You don't want to undo this teardrop shape. And then you're going to go back into the cloth on the outside of the lazy daisy. So the stitch is holding the lazy daisy in place. There you go. There are your lazy daisies. So they look like they're hard, but they're really, really easy. And stay tuned, I have a lot of fun projects coming your way.